Hello friends, welcome to my channel, my name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description and we start our trading. So guys, I believe we're gonna have a profitable trading session. Let's get started. There are $450 on the balance and let's open $450 positions today. I think we are gonna be fine with the straight amount, and today I don't wanna get too excited. And what concerns our today's indicators, I think the first is going to be the fractal and the second one is the RCI. If you're new in trading, then this strategy will be a big help for you. Watch the video till the end and after that you will be able to trade and make money just like me, guys. So let's determine the trends. We set the period to 100 on the RCI. Let's also select the daily chart and watch the situation on the market. So ascending one, more ascending, and let's analyze our charts. I definitely see more uptrends here. That's why we'd better remove all the downward trends and keep only upward ones. Today we are gonna open mostly long position, guys. There we go. I think I'm fine with the remaining price charts. Let's move back here and configure the RCI indicator, set the period to 14. Also at the overbought and the oversold zones. Here we see it set the period to 80 and there we see it set to 45. The settings suit us perfectly, so click the save button and we are gonna open long position following the trend direction. And let's get down to trading and find the better currency pair for the most promising trade entry. Let's determine it, so to speak, guys. I think we should open a long position here. We just code the candles closing. We say that the RCI crossed the line 45, which is the oversold zone, and we understand that the local low is going to be updated here. Here we observe the correction, after which we are gonna see a good bounce. Our support zone is gonna play out here and the price is gonna go up. Maybe it will not happen right away, but it definitely will. By now I'm fine with the price movement. This volatility is a typical thing in the case. Small breakout has already happened. See that the volatility is really high here, but the breakout is happening now. And our first position is in a profit, guys. We got almost 1000 on our balance. Good trade entry, guys. The breakout has eventually happened, and let's find another trade entry. And let's find the next currency pair for that, guys. So let's take a look and analyze what options do we got here. I think we should open a long position. Actually, this is not the best trade entry. I wish we opened a little bit lower, but I don't know why it was opened higher than I expected. But anyway, I think the breakout will definitely happen at the end because we see a small correction from this level but the trend it's still upwards. Also the crossing happened here, and I think the price is gonna move to the upside on the trend direction. That's why we open our long position, and we already see the inception of the green candle. So we should wait a little bit, and we will see the breakout at the end, guys. Yes, guys. As you can see, the breakout has happened. We are in profit again. It took us a few minutes to double up our balance. Good job, guys. So let's remove the bad payout rate. And let's continue analyzing. As you can see, it's quite simple, by the way. You would bet set rate on 1 minute time frame. If you see use my strategy, and let's change the currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So let's take a look. Well, what do we got here, guys? I definitely see some volatility on the charts, and we observe more downward dynamics here. We should look for trade entry very closely. Here we see a correction, the breakout is happening, so and let's open a long position here. The breakout has happened after all, and we also see the crossing on the RSI, which is bullish signal, also the updating of the local lows. The support zone played out perfectly, then the bounce did happen. Then there will be a correction, a really good one, as well as we see here. And after this correction, I think we are gonna expect a strong upward dynamics. That's why we open the long, guys, and there are literally 20 seconds left before the closing. Theoretically, the price should remain on this level for a while or continue going upwards. Now we see the price should remain on this level for a while or continue going upwards. Now we see nice volatility on the market. There is a second left, and our position has been closed in profit again, guys. We got 1618 on the balance. Let's probably pick a few more currency pairs. Let's take a look, guys. What do we got here? Probably this one. Let's open the daily charts. We see the upward movements, and let's keep this one. Nice payout rate, and let's find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Let's check it out. I don't see any clear signals so far. However, we can tap on the currency pairs. Let's take a look. Correction seems to be happening, but it looks like the upward dynamics will go on. That's why we're gonna play ahead of the markets here, and we open a long position following the trend direction. I paid attention to the fact that there were a strong correction before, and here some kind of accumulation zone has been formed, and the breakout from this level did happen, and we can consider this downward movement as a correction. Then we expect the continuation of the bullish momentum. It seems that we are not mistaken here. That's why I opened the position a little bit ahead of the market following the trend direction, and I think our position should end up in profits. We are going to expect the breakout. So guys, exactly as I predicted, the breakout has happened right at the end. We are in profits. We got $2,000 on the balance. We got 1,600 in profit so far. We played ahead of the market. This kind of trade entry is only for experience. Traders, guys, I don't recommend you taking such risks if you're new in trading. So we would better gain some trading background before opening such position. And let's continue our trading session, find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So the price rebound takes place and let's open a long position. Good trade entry, guys. The update of the local lows did happen. We see a small correction down here. Then a pump to the upside. We see some consistency on the charts. We also see a small correction here, and I am expecting to see the continuation of the uptrend. That's why we open the long position. We also see the price rebound on the RCI. It hasn't reached the oversold zone yet. We can see that it had the downward dynamics for a long time here. And there are several seconds left before the closing, and another position is in a profit. Again, guys, I think we should open two final positions in order to consolidate our gains, because I hope you got the principle of using this strategy and you realized that it's not that difficult. But still, I'm gonna open a few more trades and let's find the next currency pairs for the most profitable trade entry. So let's take a look at here. There is an upwards dynamics everywhere, and here we actually can see a good price movement, potential reversal. We observe a small downward dynamics correction is happening now. Also, the global trend was upward, but from this level the price started gradually going down. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Yeah, this downward dynamics is gaining momentum here. I think we are gonna hold from trading here. And let's continue our trading session. We don't wanna make mistakes here, so let's find another currency pairs. Well, we need to analyze properly. Yep. We could open here, why not? Let's open a long position here. We are seeing a small pullback from this zone, and this is a good signals because the upward dynamics prevails here, and after this small correction the price recovery follows up. The uptrend is gaining momentum here, and we are played ahead of the market. This correction should be over and the price should go up. Following the trend direction. That's exactly what's happening now. The correction is over. We are seeing a huge pump here, really beautiful one. I didn't even expect it. It should have been a little more lower, but still it doesn't matter now. Our position has been closed with a profit. I am happy such outcome. We got almost $3,000 on the balance, and let's make it up to 3,000, guys, and we will withdraw the money then. Let's find the better currency pair for that, guys, for the most profitable trade entry. Let's carry on analyzing. Oh, there we go. I think we should open a long position here. Very nice trade entry level. We've caught a good correction here, after which the price is gonna move up. We see the consistency of the price movement. and upward dynamics, then the correction. Here also the upward dynamics and the correction. I think the correction should be over on this level, or it's gonna hit this line, and after in the inception of a new candle, the price is gonna continue moving upwards. The local lows is gonna be updated, and the price should move up, guys. So we already see that the low volatility movement prevails here, which leads to the inception of the green candle, nice trade entry level, and this position also ends up in profit, guys. We got a little more than $3,000 on the balance. I think we can call it a night for today. It took us several minutes to reach 3,000 from $450, guys. I think we did nice today, and I hope you enjoyed my trading, guys, and you learned something new, several useful types for trading. And let's not drag this out, and we are gonna withdraw the money. Let it be $3,000 to my Bitcoin wallet. Press the continue button. That's it, guys. Our transaction has been processed. I will touch the screen where it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.